Hello and welcome back to another episode of Exit 45 Restorations. And I got my trusty helper, Hope, my granddaughter. And today we are going to take all the parts that we've been working on and we are going to start and install them back into the housing. So let's get it done. All right, so here we go. What I've got here is we got the axle done. It's been painted. And it's ready for everything to go back on it. So I'm going to get you turned around here and I'll show you exactly what we got going on, and then we're going to go ahead and do it. All right, you can see the axle here. It's all painted up. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to put a drain plug in here to make it a lot easier to do your oil change on your rear end without having to pull all this off. So it's got a magnetic tip. This is a 1/2 inch by 20, I think. And I'm going to drill me a hole after kind of looking everything over with the gears on the differential. I just want to make sure I'm not putting this where it's going to be, the gear runs right here on this side. I need to put it over here on this side and more towards the back. So let's get going, and I'm going to put a hole here. I'm not going to lie, it's kind of nerve-wracking. Let's see if I can do it. All right, so let's just start drilling because I'm getting too nervous thinking about it. Let's just do it. No turning back now. So let's start working our tap through it. Come on. Come on. Start. Come on. Start. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, I know some of you are screaming at the screen right now. Don't do it. We're going to do it. There we go. All right, she's tapped. Now we have threads. Hope says this. So let's see how this worked. Go ahead and get this in and tighten it up and see how we did. Well, I say that worked out pretty good. I guess I was fretting a little bit for nothing, but look at that. All right, so you can kind of get a better look at it here. Come out pretty good. And you can see that it right there. So I like it. I like being able to drain the oil without having to pull the third member off. All right, so I'll catch you on that. I'm done for the day and we'll come back tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's another day. I'm ready to get this rear end finished. There's not much left to do, so let's go ahead and start with getting it cleaned up. Let's do it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and flush out all those metal shavings from putting that drain plug in. Just wanted to remind you guys, like, subscribe, help out the channel. Let's build this thing. Like I said, like, subscribe, ring that bell. It'll let you know when something new comes out. You know, also share the video with your friends and comments. If there's some other things that you'd like to see on the channel, you know, that let me know. Really, this is the channel for, you know, everybody that comes to it. Appreciate it. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to put the third member in. Not going to be fun. But here we go. Okay. Whew. Ooh, that's heavy. Get something, tap that down. Let me get some bolts on it. Okay, third member's in, torqued. Those were 30 to 40 pounds. I put them at 35. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and press the bearings onto the axle. So let me get you in there and we'll do that. Okay, and I've got axle number 2 pressed on. That one was a little bit more of a challenge just because of we didn't have much room down here at the bottom. But we got it. So we got the seal now that needs to go in. So we're going to go ahead and work that in. All right, we'll use a seal driver and we'll just work that in. Nice and easy. All right, we're good. All right, I'll get the other side put in and I'll be right back. Okay, time to work the shaft in there. And I'm just going to put a little bit of grease around the outer race here of the bearing just to help that go in a little bit easier. I've also got a little bit inside the housing. Now we can go ahead and get her on in there. Okay, I got it started in. We're going to go ahead and get it splined in. There we go. Shaft's in, bearings seated in there. All right, I got both axles in. So now we're going to take our T-bolts and we are going to put those in and secure this axle into the housing and get it tightened up. And we will be done with the exception of fluids. All right, there we go. We got it done. Not too bad either. It didn't take very long. Didn't run into too many hurdles. We came across a few. We're able to work through them. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with how everything came out. And just look at it. I got a pretty nice looking rear end, don't I? I appreciate everybody coming along for the ride. This has been a lot of fun for me, getting this thing tore apart, cleaned up, new seals and bearings, and the challenges that came along. Hang out for some more. We got more coming. But in the meantime, please help the channel out, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share it. Share this with your friends. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.